So macOS 27 GoldenGate public beta just come out, and if you don't know how to install it on your Mac, here's how to perform a clean install with a USB drive. First, make sure your Mac is actually compatible. GoldenGate only works on Apple Silicon right now, so if you're still rocking an Intel Mac, this one's not for you. Once you've confirmed that, let's get the USB drive ready. Make sure it's at least 32 gigabytes, because the GoldenGate installer is around 17 to 18 gigs, so you'll need the extra room. Now go ahead and plug it into your Mac. Then hit Command and Space to open Spotlight, type in Disk Utility, and hit Enter. Once it opens, you'll see a list of drives on the left side. Click here and show all the devices. Then we can find our USB drive in that list. Now select it. Click Erase at the top. Now name it whatever you want. And for the format, choose macOS Extended Journaled. For the scheme, select GUID Partition Map. Then just click Erase. Give it a few seconds to finish. Just a heads up, this is going to wipe the drive, so make sure you've backed up anything important before you move on. Now, the last step before we officially get started, head over to Apple's beta software program website and enroll your Apple ID. Once that's done, we're good to go. Now open System Settings and head to General. Then click on Software Update. Now click the little info icon next to Beta Updates. You should see macOS 27 GoldenGate public beta show up in the list. Mine doesn't show it here because I'm recording this on a developer account, but don't worry, the steps are the same. Now you'll see an upgrade prompt pop up. If you want, you can just click it and install right from here. But in this video, I want to show you how to create a bootable installer for GoldenGate, so I'm just going to close this out for now. At this point, let's download the installer. Search and open up Terminal. Then run the command on screen. I put this in the description so that you can copy and paste it. Now this will list all available macOS installers. Once you've confirmed GoldenGate is available, run this command and make sure the version is correct. Then just sit back and let macOS download the full installer. As you can see, the download's finished. Now open your Applications folder. You should be able to find Install macOS GoldenGate. Now right-click it and select Show Package Contents, then Open Contents followed by Resources. Inside, you'll find the tool we're looking for, Create Install Media. Now head back to Terminal and type sudo, followed by a space, then simply drag Create Install Media into the Terminal window. After that, type -- volume and leave another space. And then simply drag your USB drive into Terminal and hit Return. It might ask for your password, just type it in. And when it asks if you want to erase the drive, type Y and press Return again. macOS will erase the USB, copy the installer files, and make the drive bootable. Give it a few minutes to finish. Once that's done, you can use this USB drive to install GoldenGate, either on this Mac or other Mac machine. Now, if you don't want to completely replace your current Mac OS, whether that's Tahoe, Sequoia, or whatever version you're on, and you just want to try out GoldenGate, you can follow along with what I'm about to do. Press Command and Space to open Spotlight, then launch Disk Utility. In the sidebar, select your Macintosh HD volume, not the container, then click the plus volume button at the top. Give the new volume a name, something like macOS GoldenGate. Leave the format set to APFS and click Add. That way you can test GoldenGate without affecting your existing macOS installation. Now we're ready to install. Here, let's launch the Install macOS GoldenGate app from our USB drive. Click Continue, accept the license agreement, agree all of these. And here, if you followed along with me and created a new volume earlier, go ahead and choose Show All Disks. Then select the APFS volume we just created instead of your main Macintosh HD and click Continue. If you skipped that step earlier, just ignore this part and install straight to your current volume. Let me just click Continue. Now, choose your administrator account and select this option if you want. Click Install. It'll ask you for password, type it in and go ahead. macOS GoldenGate Beta will be installed on the disk. Let's fast forward a bit. Now it's ready. You'll need to restart the Mac to complete the job. Click Restart here. It'll start reboot. Wait for it. You'll be greeted by the new setup assistant. Here, choose your country or region and continue. Now it's asking me if I'd like to transfer data. I'm just going to select Setup as New, since we're doing a clean install here, but it depends on you. Now continue and finish the rest. The installation is now completed. Let's make sure everything worked. Click the Apple icon here and go to About This Mac. Great, you should see the same thing as I did. macOS GoldenGate version 27 right there. And you can also see both of your volumes here. You can access either one without disrupting the other. So that's how to clean install GoldenGate from a bootable USB drive. Let me know if you encounter any issues.